I don't want to work with no Jamaican. I don't want to go nowhere with no Jamaicans then. I want you to just accept me as I am and treat me accordingly. Hey guys, it is Saturday and it's a new vlog. Welcome to the new vlog. So I'm your girl V-La-Nessa for those who don't know. Yeah, if you're new here, just stick around. Yeah, stick around because who wouldn't want to be a part of the VPs? Who wouldn't want to be a part of the VPs gang? You know, yeah, we have people from way still there. The fact that they're still here, that means they trust the process. I am not those kind of YouTuber that reach. I'm gonna reach. I am trying to reach. Yes. And when we reach, hold on to reach because we're gonna make sure something alright. I mean, I promise. Yeah, but honestly, I was thinking today, I'm like, say you always have some good people where they on my channel will just comment and just make my day, like literally, because even when I was editing this video, and it was a struggle because if you realize how late I released it, it was a struggle because even last night I had to do a hair and I finished the hair at 2 o'clock and I never finished editing the vlog. I had to stay back and finish editing the vlog and I finished around near to 4 and then I tried to export it and by the time I export it, I drop asleep because it did take a while because I tried to upload it in a 2K and then when I wake up back in the morning, I say, oh Lord, the vlog. And then I uploaded it. When I uploaded it, it had copyright, so I had to take it down, edit it again, and then put it back up. So sorry for the late vlog. I'll try this time around to get it out earlier. Because of that, my spirit was kind of down because I was like, I kind of failed myself. The fact that I wanted to put it out at a certain time. But you have some VPs that just come under the video and just comment and just lift my spirit like, whenever I make it to life, I'm going to bless, honestly. Because this morning I was just thinking, I was like, listen, you have some people that really rock with me and because I always want to push out. If I even 2 person, I just want to push out. You understand? And I may not be glad with the vlog that I do, but Uno really appreciate it and me really appreciate that. So big up to Uno. Thank you for lifting up my spirit. Like, I don't want to call no name because if I call names, I want to get in trouble. But I told myself that I want to get that journal. I'm going to start journal because, listen, your girl don't like to read and your girl don't like to write. I will do maths and I will do IT and all those stuff, but I'm going to get a journal. And for all those that's been around for a while, for those who I see that, that make a difference in my life, even by the little posts, like little comments, anything, I'm going to jot it down. And whenever I can, not even whenever I can, I'm going to make it my point of duty that one day, is it me I get emotional? Yes, one day, I'm going to just say, yo, I'm going to bless you now. If I even buy it too sweetie, you get me? It's not the gift. It's a thought that counts, right? Okay. Yeah, but pick up on yourself. Thank you so much. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel and stay around for the madness. Stay around for the goodness. Stay around for the laughter. Stay around for the cries. Stay around for everything. And for all my OGs, thank you for coming back. You know what to do. You know what to do. Share it with your friends and family and tell them to tell a friend, to tell another friend, to tell them brother, uncle, nephew, niece, sister, brother, son-in-law to come over here because over here is where we share what is real. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go to work because I think I'm late. Anyway, later because we're not gonna make me get fired. I was sitting here for literally maybe an hour saying that I want to talk to you guys. But home stay. And but they me I say, so there's a lot of stuff that I'm keeping from you guys. And if I'm not smart, if no one know me, I'm not smart, and I can read between the lines. And I am trying so hard not to say anything. And it's not because of you. But you have person that just watch to see your next move. Yeah, that is why. And I don't know if they're watching, but I'm just saying, just in case they're watching, I don't want them to know my next move, if you get what I'm saying. So I've been keeping quiet about a lot of stuff, but eventually you're going to know about it. And when you know about it, there's going to be a lot more eventful stuff going on, exciting stuff going on, things that I had to make the conscious decision to do. And even though other persons said that, well, it makes sense, to me it makes sense. And probably when it comes to fruition and I tell you about it, you're going to say, you never have to do that. Or you could probably say, when I'd probably do the same thing. Yeah. So let's just say the ending of next month into the year is going to be great. I am manifesting that it's going to be great. And yeah, I'm excited to share my next move with you. But for now, until it happens, I'm just gonna, you understand? Okay. And then not only that, I was here thinking, I was like, I always just come and just like yap, 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 yap. And I'm like, why should I have a problem of me talking to you guys and you guys clearly don't have a problem? Not only that, I'm always here watching vlogs and people literally like, alright, look on this. And me not even plan this. Me not plan this now, but me show you something. Like me literally just I think about it. Alright, let me show you something. Alright? So look, I am watching Tanania, right? And Tanania is literally in the same position as I am. Like, look.
On TikTok where people are taking it to put their edges back. Not that I feel that my edges
same position.
but I don't know, feel that.
Same position she's in. And I don't know why I keep on thinking that I have to have something very interested, very, active out there going on the road. Like, everybody have their own life and their own journey to live. Everybody vlogs is different, and it's the reason why people have them specific people who them connect to. Because honestly, yes, I watch Tanania, I watch other people, but not all of them have the same things. Like Tanania now is mostly doing a lot of traveling now because I guess is the stages in her life, right? While you have other person like Moya Slay or Slay Moya, whatever her name is, she's going to parties because that's just where she at in her life. And the fact that she's with the guy, I don't even remember his name, he's a party promoter, something like that, I don't know, or producer, something. So that's the stage in her life that she's at, right? And people gravitate to that based on the stage that she is at. While you have Shani basically, when you watch the vlog, you're like, I literally still gonna watch the vlog. It's not aesthetically appealing that many people, well, I think people that put out on the vlog on internet, if you understand. So you have like different people going through their different stages in life, and people actually watch and support them. So why should I feel like what I'm doing is not appealing to you guys, if you understand? So I want to stop complaining and comparing and probably saying that you guys not gonna like this because rated, because what I like is not what you like, and probably just like me because we just being real and authentic too, And as I said earlier, every time I put out a vlog and I feel like it's not all that, you guys always encourage me. Like they must say I watch a movie and then stop a movie for watch my vlog. Who does that? Like, really? Like, that warms my heart. Somebody, you don't know yourself. I'm gonna know the name too, And as I said earlier, I'm gonna start documenting names because most want to know when I reach. The person said I'm have to rewind the video just because it is done too quick. Like what? Listen, I appreciate you guys, God knows. I appreciate. And then because, Lord, I want to be the humblest person on this earth. And even when we make it, and me I make in the 6 figures, I'm gonna make it. Please keep me humble, and please remind me what I said now, that listen, whenever I make it, people are gonna alright. And I always think I keep on saying a lot, but I always thought of the fact that you have so many billionaires, millionaires in the world that literally have their money just stored in the bank, not doing much with it. I'm like, if you go around and helping those who are in need, the world would that be a better place, What's the point of you having money stored for years to die, leave it, and then the government take it? Why not help everyone? Like, you know your yearly spending, you know your monthly spending, all right, yes, you're gonna have some miscellaneous money put on, you're gonna have some money put on just in case. Not only that, you even have businesses that bring in money, so you always have money. Why not build a shelter or find a family and help them? That's why them say the rich is gonna always be rich, because the rich are somewhat some of the meanest person in this place, in this world. And that is why they stay rich, because they're not spending their money. And those who don't really have are those that's really helping. And that is why they always lack, because they always have to be given, because the rich not doing it. And the world is kind of messed up. It's very messed up because I am just yapping. It messed up because you have people don't have it that's just always helping with a good heart. And it's like the universe sometimes is not fair with them. And when I say universe, it's not that I don't believe in God. I do believe in God. I believe in God, but I'm just saying it's just weird. Life just weird. People do bad, and it's like everything good that is happening to them. I understand at the end of the day you have hell and heaven, and some of these people are just going to hell. But it hurt. Just think about it. You've been doing good all your life. You try to live a very good life, and just one little sin, make you go to hell. It's kind of hard to fathom all that. To know that you've been doing good, you help people, you try not to tell lie. The only issue we probably have like fornication and them look at something there. Right? You try to be very honest, you help out where you can, you're very kind, you try not to swear or tell nobody word. You do good. Right? You do good by people. But then you do one little something and you're gonna hell. That is rough. God, please, I beg you. For everyone that is watching my video right now, give them time to repent. Give them time to repent if you know that tomorrow is their last day. Give them time to repent that they can all go to heaven and drink milk. Anyway, I just feel like I wanted to talk, and I don't know if this clip is going to even reach the internet, but I was just thinking that sometimes life is so unfair, and I just don't get it. I need to get to my bed because I have a double shift tomorrow, and it might be busy, I don't know, but today wasn't. Today they were calling me in for work, and I wish I did go, but I couldn't go because I had a year coming last night. I went to my bed 4 o'clock, and when I got up 10 o'clock, I was still tired, which I could have probably get up still and go to work, but I didn't go, and we don't really want no money at dinner. I gave all my tables good service, but the kitchen just messed up. Not only that, I did a mistake where I put grilled cheese instead of kids burger, but that table was great. But the other one, like the duck breast, normally go medium rare, and the guests don't like rare stuff. Them send it back for get a ribeye. And I don't know, I think they just didn't like that. They said that everything was great, the service was great, but yet still them only take me 10%. I don't like that. I don't like it. And the fact that I keep going back and checking on them and they say that everything, like, why would you tip me 10%? And it's not like, remember, the company not really pay, when you tip us 10%, and we are actually hurt even though we give you good service. Like when you tip us 10%, the company don't really feel it, and we feel it as a server. Anyway, tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Going to work. It is cold. I have to draw from my gloves because every morning I walk, my fingers are freezing. The road seemed busy today. I don't know why, but today is Monday. Happy New Month. I didn't get to shit to you yesterday because I didn't remember that it was the 1st of December. This month, I expect God grace all over us and new opportunity. Since it's a loving month, because now until I think this is the month that I was conceiving because September is my birthday, and I think I was conceiving December because after December, 9 months. So it's a loving month, I would say. People normally have a lot of get together, a whole heap of gift sharing, just sharing the love, sharing the joy. And apart from my birth month, this is one of my favorite months, which is December. Yeah, so it is cold and cool for some here, like especially in Jamaica. Jamaica is naturally a hot place, but when it comes on to December, I'm hear them talk about the winter breeze, cold front, and all them something there. Yeah, so that is good over here. Cold, cold, and then I'm so glad that the bears gone into hibernation. So we are not seeing any, we're not experiencing any beer going into any rubbish bin or anything like that because the cold, them can't manage. Thank God. Yeah. Today I'm working in the spa. I've never worked in there before. I want to see if I can get some clip because the thing with spa is you don't have much managers go up there. So not only that, you're the only one working there. I don't know if I'm going to have someone to train me since I never worked in there before. But them naturally trust me, and just give me anything because they know anywhere I work, I will kill it. Probably I may alone work. I brought this camera, but I might just use my phone depending on how the day goes. It might be busy and it might not be busy. I'm not sure. Monday for the restaurant is normally like a little okay day because people are just like going back home. They have people that come out. So the spa may be busy, I don't know. And if the spa is busy, that means that the spa restaurant or the spa cafe will be busy. So that is that. Many people are doing vlogmas. I didn't choose to do it because I don't have time. I don't even have time to do the weekly one, much less to do every day. And then to say, oh, I can get used to doing the weekdays vlog. Maybe in January I go a weekday vlog. Maybe for the month of January. I don't know what to call it though. I may give weekday vlogs in January. 12:45 and I'm extremely tired. As I told you earlier, I went to the work at the spa. It was my first time at the spa, and honestly it wasn't bad. It was very slow, but it wasn't bad because the thing with the spa is that I think you get $8 per hour. Not only that, they put gratuity already on whatever they buy, and then when you print out a check for, because most people when they come to the spa they don't have a credit card, they don't have cash, so So they mostly use like the spa account or the room, right? And when they do that, we have to print out a slip, and that slip that we print out already have gratuity on it, and they don't know that. They only see spa service charge, which spa cafe service charge, and they just tip on top of that. So I basically got double tip from everyone. So say for instance, someone was supposed to tip me $10. The $10 add on to the check, bring up the check a little bit, and then they tip like maybe $12 because 20% off the check. So that was good. As I said, it was really slow. I had only two lunch table and I had a light fare, that is three, right? We have some person that order drinks. And then the thing with Americans, like most Americans, especially those who have like money, when say for instance they buy a drink and the drink costs like $10, so you know that the tip would be like $2. They Some American don't like to just write down $2 on the paper. It look too little bit, so they will put like a $5 and a $10 on the check. And I'm like, okay, 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 okay. Anyway, after that, I left and I went on break. I had a pizza because that's what they have in the fridge. Because they have the cafeteria, as I showed you in a couple vlogs back, and they have all kind of stuff in there. I took a pizza and then I went to dinner. No, I made practically the same amount of money for dinner because I just never had good tables. I don't know. I don't like to force things onto people, even though they always are saying need to sell this, need to sell this, I don't like to force things onto people. If I'm telling you about the special course and I tell you about the appetizer, I tell you my recommendations and all those stuff and drinks and all those stuff, and you decide that you only want one course, then that's all you're gonna get. I understand it's gonna affect my tip, but I don't like to force things onto people. I'm not a druggist. You understand? And let me tell you, outside is extremely cold. I was in the spa and I went to the back of the restaurant and I was just looking outside, looking onto the wine garden. And the wine garden have a waterfall and the water at the side was frozen. Like if you put water outside to sit for a while, it's gonna get frozen. And right now it's actually snowing, and I didn't have any right to come home, and I didn't want to go to the security because sometimes the security just take too long and I can't be bothered. So I walked home in the freezing cold. Right now it's snowing. Let me see if I can show you, but it is snowing. I never know that North Carolina gets this cold. It's gonna be dark outside though. Like, you're not gonna see it because you're not gonna see it. It's like a little bit on the floor. It is snowing. It is cold outside. I am so glad when I get to come home because inside here is so warm because I have this heater that I have in the bathroom. Let me show you. I have this heater here. That little thing, listen, if every time I have it like in the bedroom and I leave it, like I have to take off my clothes. That little thing is so powerful. And I have the heater running also. That one is not so good. So that's why I always leave that one on. And I never turn them off. Like when it's hot, the AC is always running. Now that it's cold, the heater is always running. And yeah, and then at night, in the night, I have the fan on because I really don't like it when I'm too hot, but it's too cold not to have it on. So that's that. My company though did email me and ask me if I have anyone that I want to recommend or refer. So if you're in country and you want me to refer you, then just hit me up in the comments down below or find me on Instagram. My name is V-La-Nessa, all social V-La-Nessa. Just follow me on that. I'm not going out anywhere this week. I wanted to put down my name for the car, but I'm just extremely tired this week, like honestly. Next week is gonna be even this week, as in this work period, because the week start this today. Um, it's gonna be very hectic. I only have a half day. All my other days are double, and I have my 2 days off. So I'm not gonna go anywhere. But what I'm gonna do though, I'm gonna go the light, the Christmas, go in the town and show you the Christmas lights and everything. I wanted to go to the Christmas tree lighting, but I was working. Guys, you have to understand that I am a working girl. I'm a working girl. I'm not a full-time content creator because I cannot. They're not paying me for this. I have to work to maintain myself. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get dressed up, not fully dressed up, but I'm gonna dress up and just take a walk and show you the town. It's gonna be probably I'm just gonna eat ice cream or something in the cold. Yeah, but yeah, I'm just gonna dress up and show you the town, how it looks and everything. And they also have a skating ring. I'm gonna see if I can try and go to that skating ring. Maybe I would have to look back on the flyer to see what times it runs to, because I would rather go to the in the evening, skate for a while, and then we can see the whole Christmas lighting, and then probably get something to eat. So that's the plan. I've not talked to you much this week because really actually I really don't have. Well, I have much to say, but I don't have much to say. If you understand, I don't want this to be just talking vlog. I want it to be, even though I'm not still not liking time, I chat still. Sometimes I feel like I'm not talking anything of substance. And guys, let me tell you now, January coming, I'm gonna go back into talking about H2b and all those stuff. As much as I don't want to, but I just have the passion to help people, and I know that many people want to come on the program. So I'm gonna go back into that. I think I'm gonna do it on TikTok and then occasionally YouTube. But if I do talk about it on YouTube, it's gonna be on my Soar with Nessa channel. I want this channel to be vlogging. I want it to be about me. I don't want it to be just about H2b. I don't You understand? I want it to connect with me through this channel. I don't want it to think of me of H2b, because really and truly, as much as I am on the H2b program, I just want to get off the H2b program because it is good, but it is so stressing. It's so stressing to be moving up and down and around the place and all that. I just want to be very fixed one place. I want to be steady. I want to be stable. I want stability, and this program don't give me stability because when I'm getting comfortable, that's when I have to move again. And then not only that, you move somewhere, and when you move, it's like you get bad treatment in the first half, and then when they realize that they cannot play with you or they realize that you're a good worker, right? That's when they start to treat you good. And I don't like that. I want you to just accept me as I am and treat me accordingly. You understand? Don't treat me bad. I feel like say yo, I'm nothing. And then afterwards you realize, oh, I'm a nice person. Oh, and she's a hard worker. Let us treat her better. I don't like that. You understand? So really and truly I don't like the work program. I meet some awesome people. I meet some great Jamaican. Remember, if you were rocking with me from J1 days, I used to say that I don't want to work with no Jamaican. I don't want to go work with no Jamaicans then. I used to say that. And for these last 2 seasons, my narrative, like, it changed. My last season, though, was my best season. And I didn't make no money. But the people, the Jamaican people who made it happened. Yeah, you guys, chef kiss. And then this year around, I had a few person that I connected, and most of them was guys. I don't know, but my roommate, um, those 3 guys, that's my roommate friends, and then the other one guy, him now, he just make me laugh. Him just ever laugh, like you just want to be around them because them just have this nice jovial spirit. I don't want to be around anyone that's gonna pull me down or make me feel sad or always complain about certain stuff. I don't like it. Me not like it. Alright? So yeah, I met so, and then you have some other person, that are as kind of talk to, you have the Africans and the Mexicans, and then Nepal, people from Nepal, Netherlands, and all these people. I talk to them, but those are not persons like you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, but some really great people I meet last season and this season. And because of that, it kind of changed my mindset as working with Jamaican, which we kind of still have still because it really has some nasty, dirty Jamaican people. And I'm not, me I talk for myself too, because some people might think that I am a nasty, dirty Jamaican girl. You understand? Because not everybody's spirit are gonna mesh. You understand? And while other people may like me, you have other person that don't like me. And that is just life. I can't force nobody to like me. You understand? And them me could I do something that affect them while me I do something that other people like. You get what I mean? Alright. Yeah. A peerful relationship. I don't know if you understand what I said, but I think I was just yapping this a while ago. I've started watching vlogmas, and the channels that I'm watching is Kimberly Cross and Shami. I'm still looking for other YouTubers that do vlogmas. So if you have any recommendation, just drop them in the comments down below so I can watch them. I used to really follow Petit Sue vlogmas, but I don't know. I rather Shami right now, and we soon go to her, but you know, there's not. I love Petit Sue, but it's like I'm not in that mindset right now, that foreign mindset. I'm just thinking about those who are in Jamaica and just make Jamaica look so wonderful. You see, when I was living in England and I used to watch the news, I used to say, yo, that is not Jamaica, that is not Jamaica, I know. They used to show the worst part of Jamaica. And I appreciate those who are vlogging now in Jamaica and showing people that Jamaica has so much to offer. Like I was watching Kimberly Cross vlogmas too, and the things them that she's showing us in Bashko, not Bashko, Azans and Fontana and I think Price Smart. And me I say, yo, I real find this man. I real find like what? So I really, really, really do appreciate watching these vlogs because it just make me see say, yo, my country nice. It nice. And then I have to go foreign. You just need money to live life in Jamaica. Right? And I just wish that the crime and violence would just stop. It's not gonna stop, but if I even if say go back to the days where we could have sleep and left my doors open. But you know why it's gonna happen? Because the money in there Jamaica people want money, and because they don't have money, they're gonna kill feet. So I thought, hey, me that scratch me. Sorry, me here want wash. I'm not gonna wash it until my day off, which is Monday. And guys, I feel like I'm gonna start doing like to-do lists and then walk me through it. I can know that okay, today I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, gonna do this, and check it off as I go. So and then we probably revise it the night before, and then we check them off as I go. I don't know. If you have any like recommendations as it relates to making the vlog better, let me know. I'm taking recommendation. And guys, I really have so much to offer, but I just have so little time. Every time like I get time to edit, it's like I have to be rushing to edit. And the thing is I don't want to just put out stuff and then later regret it. So I have to even watch it before I even put it out. So it takes long for one to edit because sometimes I find myself having a lot of space fillers, and it kind of annoy me. It may not annoy you, but it annoys me, especially when I'm editing. So my one of my most used face filler is like an arm, and every time like I find myself saying too much in one line, like I have to cut it out. I have to cut it out. It's too much, right? And right. So yeah, those are my three. I need to get rid of them. I need to get rid of right, like, and that's too much face fillers. Space fillers. So it when I'm editing, it's so much on me, and then worse, I have work, and for the most part, I work from 10 to 11 in the night, and by the time I get home, I have to shower, find something to eat, and then relax my mind. And when I relax my mind, I like to watch like a movie or a vlog or something. So by the time I drop asleep, and then most time I go to bed 2 o'clock. So when I come home and I start to edit within after the 11 o'clock, and after I shower, I would probably start like 12 o'clock. And by the time I finish, though something is like 2 o'clock, and then I still need something to relax my brain. So I find a little vlog or something that takes like 30 minutes, and then pray and go to my bed. And I'm not gonna say pray and go to my bed, because honestly some nights I don't pray, and that is really bad. In this week vlog, it's just gonna be me and you just chilling, talking. And I'm not going to, if I'm going to Bryson, I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to show you, because you know Bryson look already. If I'm cleaning, I'm not going to do that, because you know I'm clean already. You know the place there already. You understand? So it's just going to be just sit down and talk. You get? Alright. Okay. As I said before, please drop down your suggestions. What I can do to make this better for you. I know for sure January is going to be more eventful. The end of the year is going to be more eventful. But as for now, I am trying to save as much money as I can, because Christmas will come. And you have my nieces, my nephew, my mom, and my sisters, and my brother, my dad. Oh, something. So if I visit, I'm gonna save $1,000 so I can buy everybody something. I have to secure the bag. So my focus is on securing the bag. And then my mom birthday is in January. So not only December, but January. And then my nephew born January. So not only December, January. So after January gone now, I get a little break until the end of the year again. At the end of the year, always like the stressful year for me, because you have birthday gifts, because my two nieces them birthday gone at the end of November. Then you have December, and then you have January. I remember, my birthday was in September, and my other sister birthday was in September, and then my other sister is in August, and then my other brother in July. So July, August, September, skip October, then November, December, January. 6 months that. At least we get 6 months break still. And then you have some friends where, man, them be like, oh, how dare them? How dare them? How dare them? Like, what? Why would you do that to me? And then I'm a gift giving person, so just watching Quiet Prairie vlog, and I'm just thinking, yeah, tomorrow is the last day to work until my day off. I'm so glad, because I'm so tired. But tomorrow is going to be a very long day, because I'm working from 10 to 11. And then my day off, I'm going to sleep. Yeah. Anyway, good night. I don't wash, and I'll pick up back with you tomorrow. Not half, I can do it tomorrow later, because it's after 12 now. Okay? Hey guys, it is my day off, which is Wednesday, and I got up this morning, cleaned the place. I cooked this curry and coconut sauce, shrimp and fish, and festival. That's what I had for breakfast. What I thought not even breakfast, lunch. And then I don't know, I was feeling so tired, so I just went back to bed. I'm going to comb my hair right now, because the girl that actually can comb hair is leaving, and actually me never really didn't want to do my hair, but me just tired if I get up and I think I just like catch up my hair one week. So I'm just gonna do something that's gonna last me for about 2 weeks, which is just curl my hair back. And the thing is, I had hair, but it seems like I threw the hair in the barrel. But I found a burn garden hair, which me I go use. I'm going to use it. Yeah, me I go use it. Hopefully, if she have hair, may ask her if she have hair. But I'm going to use it, curl my hair back, and just call it a day. In the ending of December, which is this month, I'm going to do my hair myself. And yeah, I have an idea, but I'll show you. But I just want to come and update to say, oh yeah man, we're active, we're just tired. Tomorrow I'm going on the road, but later on I'll tell you about that, okay? You can't talk to me, cause guess what? Me here do. Yeah, me here do. Even though never look so bad anyway, but me here though. And I actually chose it. I wanted to go straight back. Now watch, no, me no do no baby year now because I'm not going anywhere. But this is the year. Go all the way back. And then, yeah. Just feel like me just want a hairstyle here. Something simple, something kind of scary for 2 weeks. And then when the ending of the year come, I can do my hair myself and just do something that probably not even do it. Me not know. It depends. I might just put on a wig or something. It all depends. But yeah, this is my hair. Big up Tika, big body hairdresser, and she's very affordable. She said that this is $60. Which part in America you can get that? And she's going to Wyoming, guys. So if you're in the Wyoming area, you want her contact, can just comment in the comment down below, and I can reach out to her to see if where exactly in Wyoming, and obviously she would have want me to give her the business. But if you're going to Wyoming and you want to find out if that's where you are, then yeah. And then if you book her up, just tell her say V-La-Nessa, Vanessa. You understand? Recommend her. Yeah man, she's very affordable, and not because she over America and she knows the American price expensive she'll kill you. Nope, she not killing you. She not do it because when you look on it, $60 about $10,000 at Jamaica, she still make a bag. You get what me saying? So big her up. I'm gonna send her money now because she not gonna rush you or anything like that, and me like that. So what I wanted to say is that remember how me thought about say, oh, I'm not going on the road this week. Well, I am actually going on the road tomorrow. And the reason for that is because I might get in a trouble, might not be able to get back the car, but I'm going to take a chance and I'm going to go to the mall. I'm going to go to a different mall because I want to go to Pandora, and Pandora is in that direction. So I'm going to go. I was wondering if I wanted to go alone or just bring somebody, because anything can happen. At least if say something happen, I may have somebody there, I can have somebody to rely on, if you understand. But then again, I want to just go and maybe I'll just ask the person if they want to come, because I don't want nothing to happen and I don't have somebody to lean on, if you understand what I say. So I'm going to go to the mall tomorrow, and the reason why I go to the mall tomorrow is because the lady we're in the HR department is not here. She's coming back tomorrow. So I'm just saying I probably not going to chat nothing tomorrow. You understand? So I'm going to anyway, I don't care if they're listening or whatever. I know. Me, I could go because I don't see the sense of just giving you the car if I go in a 30 minutes proximity. And I mean, in a sense, there's nowhere near. The bus carries to Walmart. So if I want to go to Walmart, we could go Walmart easy. The most place where we would want to go is like places like Atlanta, places like Asheville, like somewhere like if I even 1 hour away, like as long as the car come back before the time. And if something happened to the car and it's our fault, then make we fix it. You get me? So I'm gonna take that bold step tomorrow, and I'm gonna tell you the outcome. I'm gonna tell you the outcome, okay? Yeah. So, kind of feeling myself. I feel like I should do my nails now. Yeah, I feel like I should do my nails, but I may not do that. I'm not sure. Yeah. Probably I should. I don't know. So I'm watching vlogmas, and currently I am more in tune to Kimberly Cross, and she released a video and I want to watch that right now, even though at 12 minutes, like girl, 12 minutes, like really. Anyway, I appreciate it because we know say your vlog editing and all those stuff take time, so I want to go easy on you. Okay? You pass because I understand the struggles. I know say the struggle is real. Alright? So I want to give you grace with this 19 minutes, with this 12 minutes vlog. So she's trying the Starbucks Christmas special, and I may just try it tomorrow. So I am influenced by Kimberly Cross. Today is Friday and I just come to close out the vlog. And I also want to let you know that in this week, you're not going to see Thursday, which some vlogs missing some days still. I try to come every day, but Thursday, the reason why you won't see Thursday is because yesterday I went on the road. I went to the mall and I did a whole lot of stuff in there. When I came home and I was just editing the vlog, I realized that it's like 40 something minutes. So you're going to get that for a spend a day with me vlog. So look at you guys getting 2 vlogs in a week. Yeah. I'm going to release this one Saturday and then release the next one maybe Sunday, Monday. It is edited. Let me tell you that. I just need to put the final touches. And when I just thought that I should just put that in a separate vlog because I don't want this vlog cover up that one, because in this vlog all I did was mostly talking, and the next one is a bit more eventful. I did do talking, but it's a bit more eventful, and it's just a whole different kind of something. And I think I might just call it not vlogmas, because I want to be a part of the vlogmas thing, but yeah, maybe I should just call it not vlogmas. Just have a thing and call it not vlogmas. Even though I participate in some Christmas activities, if you understand. Yeah. So that is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna close off this vlog. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you for sharing. You notice me, I have to say thank you for sharing. Yeah, thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Okay? Thank you for subscribing. And if you have not yet, share it. What are you waiting for? Are we friends? Are we friends? Tell me, are we? Are we? Stay tuned for the daily vlog. In that vlog, we have going to the mall, and it's a new mall. We have a mall haul. We have trying the new Starbucks Christmas flavors, and yeah, karaoke going. It's just a whole lot. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys appreciate it. I mean, I said enough, I'm not gonna love it. The fact that I'm gonna get 2 videos in 1 week. Not really 1 week, because Saturday or this week, and then if I release it Sunday or Monday or next week. Well, you get what I'm saying. But technically, next week you get 2 videos, because you'll get one either Sunday or Monday and Saturday. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, see you next week.